So to start this repair, you want to start by removing the door panel. And I like to first take off that little corner piece right there, which is really easy. You grab it in here and you pull. It just has 3 little locking tabs. For me, one of them is broken, but this is what they look like. And this is the broken one. The next thing I'd like to do is remove the anchor bolts for this door panel. There are 2 underneath this cover here. And if you take off this cover also, there's another bolt right there. And these are all 10mm bolts. Take those out. In order to remove this window crank handle, it's best to have a tool that looks like this. And what this does is it slides down underneath and unclips a little spring clip that's back there, which I'll show you. I can't show you right now because I can barely see it, but it goes down like this and it unclips the spring clip that holds this handle onto the rod. So you want to locate the clip. The C-clip is in the up position like this. As you can see, there's a very small washer here. There's a plastic washer. You want your tool to go in between the washer and the handle, not behind it, because it won't reach the clip. And then, assuming you do have this tool, you press down. Oh, there goes the clip. And then you pry a little bit and off comes your handle. Don't forget to take this washer out. So what the clip does is it goes right here on the handle and it locks it into this groove so that when you move your window up and down, this can't come pulling out. If you don't have this tool, you can just use 2 little screwdrivers or 2 small picks and pick at this clip until you get it off. But it's a lot more convenient to have the tool. Next, with the lock in the unlocked position, pull out on this tab, and that actually releases your little knob here. At this point, you can take your door panel, pry it away from the door. I'm going to start on this side because it's easier for me to grab it. Once it's off, there's a cable here that you want to remove, and I find that easiest to do with a pair of needle nose pliers. Once that's pressed in, this cable can slide out of its mounting point and through the hole and then unlatch it. Once your door panel is off, with the supplied drill bit, drill out all these rivets that hold in the door handle. With a pick, get underneath there, pry out on this button. That will allow you to lift this up. And now you can remove the main part of the handle. The new handle, insert it just like this. Now the kit that you have comes with a little tube of super glue. Go ahead and put some in every hole here. Then you place your washer down and the supplied screw. Take your door handle, press it down onto the assembly, and make sure it's latched in. Let's put this piece back. Get this cable attached. Line up the door panel. Tap it into place, get this lock back on. Let's get these 3 screws put back. And of course the caps. To install this handle, make sure you have the clip inserted, put in your plastic washer, then simply take the handle and press it on. There you go. Last but not least, your plastic cover here.